Today we are going to read a myth. A myth is a fable or legend. All those three words mean a story that is not really true, but people believe in it sometimes. How the Day and Night Came to Be by an Inuit Myth. When the world was very young, there was only darkness. Ice covered the land. Two children, a boy and a girl, lived in a small cabin. They hunted for food. It was hard work. It was tiring work. There was no time to play. One day, a stranger came into their door. He was part man, part raven. He asked the children to come out and play. The children were too tired to play. They offered the raven man food and a drink. "No, thank you," said the raven man, "but if you can solve this puzzle, I'll reward you." He gave them a small bag and left. In the bag there were many small fish bones. By the pale light of a small lamp, the children arranged the bones into the shape of a fish. They solved the raven man's puzzle. Their reward was a fishing spear. A fishing spear is a long stick with a pointy end and with feathers on the end, and you use it to catch fish. The sharp barbs on the spear made hunting easier. Then the raven man gave the children a second puzzle of bones. The children put the pieces together to make a flipper of a seal. Again, the raven man rewarded them. The raven man's second gift was an oil lamp large enough for cooking and heating. With each gift, the raven man made life a little easier for the children. Then the raven man took out a ball. He said, "Now let's play." Outside in the freezing darkness, the children and the raven man played catch. Suddenly, the ball caught on the raven man's sharp beak. The ball ripped open. Through the tear, the sun escaped inside the ball and lit the sky. For the first time, the world felt the warmth of sunshine. And that is how the day was created out night. Here's a picture. The end. What was inside the ball the children were playing with? The sun was inside the ball. What two gifts did the raven man give the children? The raven man gave them a fishing spear and an oil. How do you think the children felt at the end of the story? Why? They were happy because they now had sun. How would the story ending be different if the visitor was a rabbit man instead of the raven man? Maybe they would get carrots, so they could put a carrot somewhere and then make a trap, and then an animal wanted to get them step in a trap, and then they could eat him for dinner or something. So they had meat. And what happened first? What happened next? What last? Number the pictures to show the order. First, they had to get a puzzle to get the fishing spear. Next, they completed the puzzle. Third, they played the game. Good night. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next episode.